Hello, my name is Gwendolyn. Today I will introduce a high-efficiency grinder that is good at making non-standard tools. The QD580 5-axis CNC Tool Grinder. The machine base is made of granite that can provide the more stability and vibration dampening advantages. The machine power is 32 kilowatts. The grinding expander uses a 24 kilowatts direct drive motor. Double grinding expander head can be installed with 4 to 8 pieces of flange grinding wheels. It can complete the clamping and grinding of the front, back, and end face of the tool at one time. This machine can process various tools with precision, such as end mills, drills, ball-nosed end mills, corner-reduced end mills, boring tools. The maximum grinding diameter is 32 millimeters. The groove depth is 20 millimeters. If you are interested in it, please contact us to get more information.